Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change default browser on MIUI version 10.2. Okay, so first of all let me show you guys that I have MIUI version 10.2 installed on this device. So let's go to the settings and let me tap on the about phone. You can see guys, I have this MIUI version, MIUI global 10.2 I'm using. Okay, so let's go back and change the default browser. Okay, so first of all let me open some app and open one link. So let me open my WhatsApp. Let's open one chat, and here I have this link google.com. so if I tap on this, you can see it's now opening in the current default browser we have. Okay, this is my Redmi Note 4 device and this is the MI browser. Okay, so how we can change it to Chrome or Firefox or something else? Okay, so you just need to let me exit from this app and you need to go to the settings. Okay, so just find the settings, tap on it, and you need to scroll down and just find this installed apps, tap on it. It's now opened. Okay, and after that you just need to tap on this three dots at the top right. Okay, let me tap on this, and here we have the default apps. Tap on that, and here we have the browser. You can see currently we have this Mi browser setup. So in order to change that, you just need to tap on this, and here you will see all of your browsers installed on your device. So I have Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Firefox Focus. You might not have all these browsers. Okay, so just select the browser that you like as the default one. So I like the Chrome. So you can see currently we have this browser, Mi browser selected. You can see the arrow. So in order to select the Chrome, I just need to tap on this. You can see it's now selected. So suppose if I want the Firefox, I just need to tap on this Firefox. You can see it's now selected. So I just want this Chrome, so let me tap on that. So it's now selected and set it as default. Okay, so let's exit from this app. Okay, and let's go to some app. Let's open the WhatsApp, and here we have the link. So if I tap on this, you can see it's now opening in Chrome. Okay, so if I tap on this three dots, and if I go to settings, you can see sign into Chrome. So it's now changed. Okay guys, so in this way you can easily change the default browser on Redmi phones that uses MIUI version 10.2. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.